Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how do you add or remove card in Alipay. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Alipay and then log into your account. So let me open up mine and log in. So I'm just going to log in into mine here. So yep, done. So I've logged into my account here. So now if you want to add a card, you just have to simply go to your Me tab here. So on your bottom right, go to Me tab and then you'll see bank cards option here. Just click on bank cards. Alright, and then now here what you're going to do, if you're going to add a card, just tap on add cards. So here typically you will see all the cards that you have added so far, and if you want to add a new card, just tap on add card, and then all you have to do now here is just choose your bank, or you choose your bank, and most of just make sure that you have a local bank account, which means like that's available in China, because this needs to be need to have a China account, bank in China that's available in China. So just select from here if you want. Otherwise, you can simply, what you can do, you can just scan your card. You can enter your card number manually or scan your card by using this option here. Take a picture of your card and then that's it. So once you're done with that, so all you have to do is just click on submit and that's it, your card will be added. So that's pretty straightforward. And then if you want to remove a card, same thing, you just have to simply go to bank cards option here and then select the card and then hit on remove or delete, and that will remove the card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.